Mama's day, she owns the night. With her presence, everything's right. In a whirlwind of fate, she's the center stage. With every heartbeat, she writes a page.
Annyeonghaseyo! It's Resha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're going to Kmart. So let's go! So the store is located at Tapak District, Dagupan City. Tabi lang siya ng McDo. Malapit lang siya sa office namin. Mga 20 lakad lang nandun na. So, di ba? So for today, we're going to try the DIY ramen or do-it-yourself ramen.
Try ko.
Paano yung product review? So, ano po masasabi niyo sa Big Bulldog?
So, ma'am, ito itatry lang po namin today. So, beef bulgogi tea.
Okay. So, have ice cream.
So for the side dish, ang pinili ko is this pickled radish and kimchi, of course. So this is for only 20 pesos each.
Ayan, or no?
May spicy, may hindi.
So, anong mild lang ba ito? Pinay-video kita, tapos ito. Parang mas gusto ko to. Ay, hindi ko alam pa.
Parang gusto ko yung...
Ano size dito?
Parang gusto ko yung japaghetti.
Ito, Japaghetti.
Yo. Wala kasi yung How much?
Parang gusto ko to.
So for the ramen, I've chose this stir-fry ramen, yung 4 cheese. So medyo maanghang siya, pero ang technique dyan is yung spicy na sauce. Ilagay mo lang is half. So pwede na siyang makain. So pumili din kami ng mga toppings, which is yung spam, crab sticks, fish cake, and
Huwag kang ma-pressure, sir.
Lagay mo na.
Sige, kung wala ano.
drinks?
so here, kailangan daw i-mix-mix para hindi masunog. Ito yung pagluluto na may konting pressure. So,
Ay, yung ano pa na.
So, akala namin uuwi na kami. Pero nagkaroon pa ng budol serye. Ayun, nilibre kami ni Sir Jen ng melon na ice cream. So, thank you, Sir Jen.